Hi, we're going to be doing a couple of upgrades on the Aprilia. If you're new to this channel, welcome to Eileen on Wheels. If you're not, welcome back. So I'm going to take you through a couple of upgrades that we're going to do. First, we're going to do the levers. The first thing we'll be doing are the upgrades to the levers. They're adjustable and they're shorter. So let me just go ahead and show you how much shorter they are. And if you've been riding for a while, you know that if you can pull these levers back with these two fingers, it's best, and it's easier, makes for an easier ride. Okay, we're going to start by removing the 10mm nut at the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and remove the nut from the other side as well. This one's a little bit more tucked in, but you're going to have to hold this down in order to get that nut out. You're going to slide this pin out. So once you have that pin out, you're going to slide this out. Slide this out. Just a little bit of finesse, and there you go. So we didn't show this part, but we're going to go back and show you what we're talking about. When you are putting the clutch cable into the new lever, you're going to go ahead and engage this clutch cable, pull it forward as far as you can. It'll give it slack over here, so you are able to put this clutch cable into the lever, into a little slot of the lever right here. We also transferred the bearing from the old handle to the new handle, and it's in here. Next, we're going to slide the bolt in like so. Lastly, we will put the nut back on here, tighten it to only firm. Too much, just enough. And now you're going to tighten to firm and hold the pin at the top. We're going to pull in the clutch to make sure that that's working properly, and it is. Next, we're going to check the adjustable portion of it, the adjustable mechanism, and that seems to be working just fine. So your 1 is going to be closer and 6 is going to be further away. And now we're going to go ahead and remove the 4mm Allen bolt from the front brake. We're going to pull the lever out, and it's going to shoot right out of the boot right here. So in order to remove the actuator, we're going to have to press this bushing out. And what we're going to do is use this clamp to go ahead and press that bushing out. We had to use a couple of sockets in order to execute this. We used a 5/16 inch socket and a 15mm over here. Now that the bearing is removed, we can remove the actuator. Now what you're going to do is drop the actuator into the new handle. So using two hooks, you have to pry this opening open to get the actuator in there, but you have to be very careful not to tear this boot around it. So you're going to put the actuator in this little slot right here, the handle, very carefully to make sure it doesn't come out of the boot. Slide that in there, Allen bolt in there. We're going to go ahead and tighten the Allen bolt so it's firm. We're going to make sure that it's working properly, and it is, and the adjustment mechanism is working. We're just going to go ahead and tighten this a bit. So overall, this was an easy install. I set my settings to 1 because I do have a smaller hand. For those bigger hand riders, you can set yours to 6, but whatever makes you feel comfortable when you're out there riding. Again, thank you so much for joining me here on Eileen on Wheels. If you have any questions or comments, of course, put that in the comment section. If you want these levers or handles, please see the link below. This channel has been growing, and I thank you guys so much. Please like, subscribe, and of course share. Be safe out there.